From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your CNET forecast. Taking a look at the Penn State Arboretum right now. Gorgeous conditions out here in the Arboretum right now. Very cold compared to what we've been experiencing as of last week here. 48 degrees is your temperature, but not a lot of clouds in the sky, so an overall gorgeous day right now. Let's jump right into it here. High temperature departure from average right now. We're just 2 degrees under from our average here normally in State College, but a very different story is being told in other parts of the Commonwealth here. 5 degrees rather, down in Philadelphia, but we go to the northwestern corner here in Erie, we're 7 degrees up. So depending on where you are in the Commonwealth right now, you're experiencing a much different feeling than elsewhere. And let's take a look at the Pennsylvania drought tracker right now. Most of the Commonwealth is in some form of drought right now. Not as bad here in State College as it is in the southern corners here of Pennsylvania, but with some rain in the forecast, we can expect these numbers and colors to change. All right, and that aforementioned rain here, let's take a look as we move through Wednesday and into Thursday here. We're going to see some clouds building up. No rain here in the early morning, so if you're up early to get out and about, get a head start on the day, or got some early classes, don't expect some rain just yet. And as we move through the early morning hours and into the afternoon here, still staying high and dry, but after the mid-afternoon here, you can expect that rain to arrive, and when it arrives, it will stay with rain lingering even into the early morning hours of Friday. And some of those temperatures, as we just saw here, not much difference here, not much variance. We're going to stay between the high 30s and low 40s throughout much of the days on Thursday and Friday. So make sure you're keeping it in your head that it's going to be a little bit rainy as well as it's going to be cold. So make sure you're out there and prepared for that. All right, let's see why here. That pressure tracker, we can see all that blue high pressure is going to exit north, passing over Boston and eventually make its exit into Canada, which is going to give way to that rain here on Friday. Now, that low pressure is going to encroach here in from the east here, not necessarily covering Pennsylvania because it's going to battle it out here with this band of high pressure over most of Appalachia, which is going to eventually give way because we're going to see some rain later in the weekend here on Sunday. And here's your outlook for tonight. 31 degrees. Quite chilly here, mostly cloudy is your forecast. And looking ahead at tomorrow here, 42 degrees and rainy, so make sure you're planning ahead before you walk out the door. And a look at the 7-day forecast here, 42 degrees and rainy on Thursday, 54 degrees, partly cloudy on Friday, 56 with sun returning on Saturday. PM rain chances on Sunday here, 57 degrees, 58 degrees, partly cloudy on Monday, 55 degrees and cloudy on Tuesday, and rain will return on Wednesday. 53 degrees is your temperature. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your day.